Oh, that's real good.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel Penny Lesson. We talk about everything finance, from tips on making money and proper investing to news about the different economies and situations affecting the global markets. The goal of this channel is not only to teach you how to be more financially responsible but also to teach you how to be more aware of global events. So why not just sit back and relax while we tell you what's happening in the finance sphere? Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be constantly updated on my latest videos. Remember, one penny lesson a day keeps being penny less away. In the years after their lottery win, most winners file for bankruptcy. They need to get how money works fully, which is why this is the case. They frequently lack the skills to manage money, increase it, accumulate wealth, and lead financially independent lives. Being in charge of one's finances might be stressful for someone attempting to make the right decisions. Others may not even be aware of it as they're preoccupied with eating at their preferred restaurants, paying their never-ending bills, and shopping. The basics of your financial life must be understood to be financially literate. Knowing how to manage your finances, make sensible financial decisions, invest, and increase your income are all covered. Even though having this knowledge is crucial, studies have revealed that more than 90% of people still need to learn how to manage their money wisely. You cannot overstate how vital it is to develop financial literacy. You may avoid many monetary pitfalls by properly handling your income and expenses. The most reliable path to financial independence is through this. Before you can have your economic life under control, you do not need to master complex terminologies and accounting jargon. To fully control your finances, there are a few fundamental concepts you must comprehend, know, and put into practice. 1. Your income must exceed your outgoings. Financial freedom is not achievable if your spending is higher than your income. Regardless of how much you make, the amount you spend each month should be less than what you make, irrespective of where you are financially, the nature of your job, or your income level. Spending more than you earn will trap you in a cycle of debt and make you a slave to your creditors and employers for the rest of your life. Having a personal budget is the most straightforward method of controlling your expenditures. Most individuals think creating a budget is constrictive and a surefire way to have an unhappy life. The opposite is true in this case. Budgeting is essential to achieving financial freedom and the freedom to pursue your financial goals. Knowing your monthly income against monthly expenses is the first step in developing a personal budget. You need to keep track of your spending to accomplish this. You may keep tabs on your spending by writing down everything you spend money on each month or by utilizing an app. This can be done for 3 months, after which you should figure out your monthly spending by averaging your monthly outlays. Following completion of that task, you can move on to budget planning. The 50-30-20 rule for budgeting is a good option. You must divide your monthly income into these 3 categories. 40% for savings, 30% for varying costs, and 20% each for debts and necessities, fixed expenses. To distinguish between essentials and luxury, you must acquire this skill. It's possible to live without some things because they are not necessary. Spend as little money as possible on those products and only buy what is required. You can cut down on wasteful expenditures thanks to this. Make a list of everything you need. Then prioritize and purchase the most critical items first, while deferring others until you have paid. You must develop the habit of putting off immediate gratification to get long-term benefits. Expense-inducing hangouts, fast food, soda, and eating out are other things you can reduce. When you get all of these under control, you'll be astounded at how much money you can save. To save, the amount you can keep rather than the amount you make determines how wealthy or poor you are. To save, you must set money aside today. Regarding saving, we have both long-term and short-term objectives. Putting money aside rather than using it right away is the fundamental principle of saving. Those who have developed the habit of saving live a life of financial freedom. Their future is continually receiving money. You can automate your saving to increase their effectiveness and decrease the temptation not to save. Most institutions offer this automatic savings option. An amount is withheld from your income and placed in a separate account as soon as it is paid. Your monthly net income should be at least 10% saved. Experts do nevertheless recommend that you save at least 15%. Depending on your responsibilities, you should set some money aside each month. You should save for emergencies as a general rule when saving. In light of this, you ought to have an emergency fund. You should keep spending at least 3 months aside for emergencies. You set up this fund for unanticipated events like unexpected medical expenses, job loss, auto repairs, and other things you might need to prepare for. It's a good idea to pay off your past obligations as you save for the future. Make a list of every debt you owe and start by paying the one with the highest interest rate. It is advised. You can cut costs by doing this. Furthermore, you should begin making retirement plans. It is still possible to start planning for your expenses after retirement, no matter where you are. To be financially independent, you must have retirement savings. You can use your retirement fund's 400 and ONIC plans to maximize their efficacy. 3. Invest. The most important financial rule is to avoid investing in something you don't fully comprehend. Take the time to fully understand any investment opportunity that is put in front of you before investing your money in it. Before investing in a company, you should thoroughly understand its goals, operations, target market, profit margin, prior expansion, etc. Investing should always be done in something you are sure of. The get-rich-quick scheme should be honest with you. You must understand that wealth building takes time. Anything that assures you of maximizing earnings nearly immediately is a scam. The second rule is never to invest money you are unprepared to lose. Risk-taking is an integral part of life, and someone who lacks this readiness will not succeed. You should be aware of the risk involved in investing in light of this. Only the hardy can do it. Before investing your money in anything, make sure you have calculated the cost. An investment can sometimes fail, despite well-prepared preparations. Any investment requires you to be mentally prepared to lose your money. Those with this strong mind ultimately obtain the best returns on every investment, because they are aware that the greater the risk, the greater the potential reward. When you invest, you put your money to work while using your time for other purposes. Investments in mutual funds, equities, bonds, real estate, etc. are all options. Compared to other investments, some have a high level of risk. Make investments that will help you get closer to your financial goals by being aware of what they are. You should consider making low-risk investments if you have a low-risk tolerance. 4. Safeguard your cash. You must understand how to secure your money once you have mastered budgeting, saving, and the several investments you may make. Losing money due to dishonest business practices or ignorance would be terrible. Before investing money in anything, be sure you know all the details. Before making any investments, take your time to examine any potential investments and get financial counsel. Keeping tabs on all transactions in your bank accounts is also necessary. Passwords and essential documents need to be kept secure. One more strategy to protect oneself in need is to purchase insurance. For varied needs, there are numerous insurance options. Before committing, be on the lookout for the required ones and ensure you comprehend them completely. Remember at all times that losing money is simpler than making it. 5. Continue to learn about managing money. Your ability to earn and keep more money increases as your knowledge of money increases. Make an effort to expand your understanding of financial topics such as investing, saving, and other business options. Everyone is not an island when it comes to finances, and you will never be able to know everything there is to know. New stock market information is made available daily, and new trading opportunities and investing chances arise. You can eventually discover that your financial life will stagnate if you stick with what you've always done. Make learning how to multiply, manage, and spend money a continuous aspect of your life if you want to always be on top of your financial game. Due to their failure to take responsibility for acquiring the knowledge required to manage their finances, many people are currently experiencing financial difficulties. Well, there you have it. A quick guide on how to make it through the 2023 recession. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Wow, was that news? Why not ponder it? Want to know the latest? Comment if you want more articles like this. This video is just one of many videos on my channel that brings you the latest news about the world of global finance and economics. So go hit that subscribe button if you don't miss out on content like these. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you again next time. Remember, one penny lesson a day keeps being penny less away. Cheers.